Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update software on your XIAOMI F Pro TV. First of all, from the home screen, navigate to Settings menu, and in Settings, select Device and Software tile. Provide your PIN code. After that, go to About section, and in About you will find either Install Update or Check for Updates option. Make sure that your device is connected to the network, either using Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable, and then select Install Update to begin the update installation process. And as you can see, this will take a couple of minutes. So right now, let's wait until the update is installed. After the update is installed, TV will reboot to apply all the changes. Okay, and right now the update is installed. The TV didn't reboot for some reason. So if we want to make sure that the update is finished, we can just reboot TV ourselves. The best way to do this is by navigating back to Settings, selecting Device and Software, then providing the PIN code once again, and then selecting Restart option, which will perform the full restart of this TV and will apply all the changes required for the update. And at this point, that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.